and become a doctor. Here, ಟೀಚರ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅವನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಮೈ ಟೀಮ್ಮೇಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ask very few questions each other. For example, after that you also practice in your house. Remember what your parents or friends asked you or asked somebody yesterday in Kannada. Now change it into English and convert that into reported speech. Now watch the examples. After that pause your TV and practice.
Are you watching TV?
Amit asked us whether we were watching TV.
Have you cooked?
He asked me whether I had cooked.
Were you in the room? Auntie asked Akka whether she had been in the room.
If there is do or does question, yes or no question, there will not expect or there will not be helping verb. That time change the present verb into past verb. That's all. For example, direct speech. Do you cook? A boy asked a girl. Here friends, do question is there. There is no helping verb. So we have to write like this here. First write speaker sentence. A boy asked a girl. Okay, a boy asked a girl. Next, whether or if subject, which is your subject? You is your subject. You means who? A boy asked a girl, so you means a girl. Girl is female, so right here. If she, then past verb. Friends, cook is your present verb. Change this present verb into past verb. If she cooked. Does is there. Does your mother prepare biryani? Vinu asked Suresh. Right, first speaker sentence. Vinu asked Suresh. Vinu asked Suresh, then whether after that subject must be written. Subject here, your mother is your subject, but here your should be changed into his mother. So here prepare is your present verb. Change this present verb into past verb. Not to write here does again. Write past of prepare. Mother prepared biryani. Again friends, here does is here. Not to write by changing into reported speech. Just you have to change the present verb into past verb. If there is did in yes or no question, you have to change into had plus past participle verb. First you have to use here who asked whom, then write here whether or if, howdo alva anta this is, then use your subject, then had, then change the present verb into past participle over here, then add verb. Direct speech. Did you get up soon today? Augustine asked Vinod. To change into reported speech, first write speaker sentence. Augustine asked Vinu, or then you have to write here whether or if. If, then write here subject. In this message which is subject? You is your subject. We cannot write as you only, because here you means Augustine asked Vinu. You means here Vinu is a boy. So we have to write he instead of you. If he, then we have to write here had. Then past participle. Get up is here present to. Change it into past participle, that is got up. Soon. Today is changed into that day. ನೀನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದ? ಅಗಸ್ಟಿನ್ ಅವರು ವಿನುವನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಗಸ್ಟಿನ್ ಅವರು ವಿನುವನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅವನು ಅವತ್ತು ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ನೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಫ್. ಡಿಡ್ ಈಸ್ in direct speech. While changing into reported speech, we should not write did here. Instead of that, we have to write here had. And present verb is here. Instead of that, we have to write here past participle verb. Now my teammates will say few examples. Watch. After that, pause your TV and ask, say like this reported speech. Learn now information question, reported speech. Same, first say who asked whom, then you have to write here question word, then subject, then helping verb, then verb. In yes or no question, you have to use here if or whether, only in yes or no question. But in information question, you have to write here, use here question word. Don't use here if or whether. Direct speech. What were you doing yesterday? A girl asked a boy. To change it into reported speech, write first speaker sentence. Who said to whom? A girl asked a boy. Okay. After that, you have to write here question word. What is your question word? Right here. What? After that, we have to write the subject. Here, you is subject here in direct speech, but it should be changed into he, because a girl asked a boy. You means boy here. So we have to write here about that boy. What he. You is changed into he. What he. Then helping verb. Where is your helping verb? Where should be changed into had been. Then verb, that is here doing. Then yesterday is changed into the previous day. Friends, here what were you doing yesterday? ಅಂದರೆ ನೀನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬೀನ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅವನು ಹಿಂದಿನ ದಿನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. If you write like this, it is question. It is not question, it is answer. ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಬಂದು ನಂತರ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಇದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ ಬಂದು ಆ ನಂತರ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಅದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಬಳಸಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್. When will you go to Bangalore? Apollin asked Avina. To change it into reported speech, write first who asked whom. Apollin asked Avina. After that, you have to write here question word. Question word is here when. When. After that, subject. You is your subject in direct speech, but you means who. Apollin asked Avina. Avina is you. Avina is a girl, so we have to write here when she. After that we have to write helping verb. Helping verb is here will. Will should be changed into would. Then verb. Verb is here go. Go to Bengaluru. Friends, here when will you go to Bangalore? ಯಾವ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಾ? ಅಪೋಲಿನ್ ಅವಿನನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅಪೋಲಿನ್ ಅವಿನನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವಳು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಂತ. If you want to make again question, it will become like this: when will she? See, to make question, after question on helping verb comes, after that only pronoun comes, subject comes, but it is answer, so you have to write here after when subject, after that only helping verb. When she would go to Bangalore, ಅವಳು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಶಿ ಗೋ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅವಳು ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್. ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಶಿ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್? ಪುಷ್ಪ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ನಿರ್ಮಲಾ ಅಬೌಟ್ another girl. To change into reported speech, first use speaker sentence. Pushpa asked Nirmala. Pushpa asked Nirmala. After that, write your question out. Why? Why? Of that subject. Which is a subject? She is your subject. Why? She. After the subject we have to write here helping verb. Is here helping verb. Is should be changed into was. Why she was. Then helping verb is here coming. But it is negative word, so negative sentence, so I have to write here not. Why she was not coming. See, why is she not coming? ಅವಳು ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಪುಷ್ಪ ನಿರ್ಮಲನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಪುಷ್ಪ ನಿರ್ಮಲನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ಅವಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ವೈ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅವಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಇಫ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಸಿಯರ್ ವೈ ವಾಸ್ ಶಿ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್? ಅವಳು ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಹಿಯರ್ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್, ವಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್. ನೌ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ವೈ ವಾಸ್ ಶಿ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್? ಯಾಕೆ ಅವಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ವೈ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅವಳು ಯಾಕೆ ಅವಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು. ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೂ ಆರ್ ಡಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ past verb. Usually when there is do or does subject question, there you will get only present verb. Change it into past verb. Direct speech example. When do you get up? Venkatesh asked Raju. Alright, first speaker sentence. Venkatesh asked Raju. Venkatesh asked Raju. After that you have to write your question out. When after that subject. You means here Venkatesh asked Raju. You means Raju here. So Raju is a male. Right here he. When he, then past verb. Here verb is here get up. So change it into past verb. When he got up. Not to write question mark there. And do is not used again in the reported speech. ವೆನ್ ಡು ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ ನೀನು? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್. ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಈಗ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ರಾಜನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್. ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮದರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್? ರಂಗ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್. ಡಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಯರ್. Same here also, change present verb into past verb. That's all. To change reported speech, make first write speaker sentence. Ranga asked Prakash. Ranga asked Prakash. Then question word. What? What? Then subject. Here subject is your mother. Your mother means whose mother? Ranga asked about Prakash's mother. So we have to write here his mother. What? His mother. After that, past verb. Prepare is here present verb. Change it into past verb. That is prepared. There is no object. Now does is not used here. Does should not be used in reported speech. Now pause your TV and one person say direct speech using do or does question. Then the next person let change it into